You keep on running on my mind, girl. Would I walk a mile, girl, just to see you smile, girl? All night, girl. Really hope you are the right girl. Put me in your life, girl. You need a study body, it's an all-nighter. Get the number, start to text. Build my lyrics like an architect. Miss love, no want no argument. Cause if you fight my love, me have a heart attack. Me know say you couldn't want that. So me I beg you listen small lights.
I got all known killings of Frankie killing, so rough me dog, man, tell you. I want them and you tell a reason, you know. Because I see you on the road, you know, I see girl like spinning around, you know. You know what I mean? I know that girl like 5 to 6, 7, 8 man, you know. So what you do, you know?
Why, if you go drink a rum still, you know?
So I tell you right now, I can't meet a boy to himself, you know. But not for that, man. Let's say, drink some rum.
Yeah, man.
Browning. I'm in to spray there. Yeah, I'm in it there. I have 120 and for the camera, so. You know, some of them have to be a tour guide still. Because I'm saying you in an area and I can show you the place, I can say the place, you know. And I can know who run the thing for me and anything that I say safe, you know what I mean?
Yeah, what police?
No, not a police, you know, but I'm a youth that protect people.
So you want to give so much compliment?
No, I'm saying because I'm a youth like this. You see, a long time now, talk to a female of such beauty and class.
You one. That's all the man say.
Yeah, man.
What do you have to offer?
Well, I'm a trade man and I can do the best I can, you know what I mean? I'm good in my hand, you know what I mean? And for the handwork, money come. You give me a number. It's a ring. Phone a ring, so I have a number too, so what I'm going to do is, I'm going to make a friend of mine come from me now. I look about him killing himself for a woman. I know, ironically, I look for one beautiful woman, I look a beautiful woman right now in front of me. And a beautiful man looking kill himself. So, hope you know one of them girls that do this see you.
No, I like that. A long time I tell us to dash my false here.
About 2 months now, I have it in. Tired of it.
Want a boy, man.
That the broke boy they want me to look on?
Stop it. Hi.
You know, say, I mean, I call Ricky. Ricky, my name, man, so. Yeah, so.
Usually I don't do this, you know, but something about you I like. Probably we can get a number. We can talk.
Oh, yeah, nah, sir. I can't get my number. Other things I can't get to, you know.
Me give me number, man.
What's that with you?
I can call.
Put your nickname at the end. Alright, Rena, we'll catch up.
Girl. I hope one day we learn that cuteness alone now go do it.
Cuteness alone, I do it for me. That's what I have to take off of here.
I'm money me want right now. Come on.
Go on. You what? Go come back. Sit up.
Alright.
Ready?
Alright.
I can't live in with me doing now. You know what I mean? Think about it now. But you enjoy yourself last night, right?
Yes, I enjoy myself. You enjoy yourself?
Yeah. But I don't know. You see, 1 in a million.
So, you know, we've been together for some time now. So, I think you should sell the house. Do something with the money. We can't just there suffer, so. I don't like the look where
But then what me I do when you sell a house?
We're going to use the money and sort out a business. No, just trust me on that one. Just call your auntie or whoever should be overseas and tell her.
My mother!
Yeah, you know, I forget. I mix them up sometimes. Easy and peace. But just call her and tell her, okay. And we'll sell the house.
Alright. Me tell her. But here what happen? If we sell a house, we have to actually start a business.
Just start a business. Trust me now. As a matter of fact, I get the fire sale sign now and put up, alright?
Yeah.
Come.
I'm ready?
You trust me?
Alright, go on up with it.
babes.
So, how your new place?
I like it. Alright.
Yeah, good now.
Hey, babe. How was work today?
Well, it is what it is, you know. There's some wall flash out and thing and everything good. I'm just a coming. So, anything I don't go.
So you know, so I never get for cocoa.
Anyway, we can go down and go buy some food when we're done. You know what I mean? Yeah. So, different from that though, I have some good news. Not something like talk to some people today, but I don't know about going yet. I'm not going to live time, but something big in the future will go on still.
Well, babes, I want to hear the good news. I'll tell you.
We're more than now. I need to hold a date for some guys, so I'm getting straight. We're going to talk tonight though. But I'm not yet, but it's something in the making. You know what I mean? Telling you now, I know workout. But I won't tell her still, but after I want to shower. You know what I mean?
Alright, babe.
You feel that energy. There's something. What happened today make you just like this? You feel so much energy.
What you mean, babes? I just happy say you reach home.
Oh, but in that case then, I will a shower because I'm dirty and things. You want to join a shower?
Yeah, babe.
Go on now. Why do you want to be cold though?
Nasty.
You see I jump on what I'm going to do.
Stop telling my family. So, babes, what's the good news? Where did Apple tell me?
Oh, after all that, the workout a while ago, it just blew my mind. Where you learn that something from? Because first they do that, you know. Where you learn that?
My mother teach me, but don't worry about that. And that we are talk about.
What you want to talk about?
Babes, remember you tell me say you have some good news to tell me. So what the good news?
Curiosity kill the cat still. So I'm not say just curious about this good news business. Alright, so basically what I say now is like up on the work today, I mash up some work and one of my old friend passed through, you know, Virgin say have some farm work thing. Go find go work, you know what I mean? So instead of go pull some strings for me, because you get some people over there where they still and the people that still want more worker. So Jamaica not pay so good. So you know, so if we go over this now, we can actually focus on building a bigger place. You know what I mean? Get some lands, get some house, get some things done. You know what I mean? So that is my thing. So it's a good news, you know, say a mission like that can come true. You know, so I don't really go after promises and them things there. We go after action. So it's a good news. So let me see. Cause I have quick thing. So by tomorrow, a couple of days, we should hear what go on.
Babes, that's really good news. I don't know some solid. I'm gonna stick by you. I thought we together, you know. Me and you till the end.
So if that go on now, I'm going to leave here Jamaica and go over there do some work. So that you have to just keep it pay your body and stay real. I'm going to send things come here. Send money come here, I do things I want to do. Because I'm here to take on the world. You know what I mean? And we now want a fairly new relationship. You know what I mean? And I'm glad to do meet this still, you know what I mean? Because as it changes in my life, you know what I mean? We go on bed smiling, we wake up smiling, you know what I mean? Because sexually you're 100% and beauty you're 100% and conversation wise, you know what I mean? You're a smart woman, you know what I mean? So you can watch Cook and Queen and everything there. It's been going good, but like we say, it's never too late for sure and still, so we still keep me everything up and running still, you know what I mean?
No, for all my man the proper way. That's why when you go for me, you have to make sure you come back home to me.
Yeah, Monday, man. Like, I see I go to work, I'm not going to look, man.
Make sure.
So I just do make sure say nobody to you, you know what I mean, over the time. If you feel like you want something, you grab one of them cucumber there. You hear me on a plate with me?
Alright, babes.
I know say kind of late, but you still hungry?
Yeah, babes.
What's up, come on, a sheet and also want to sleep on. When I call somebody, you want to go to buy something?
You can call somebody, because right now I'm going to feel like going on the road.
Alright, I'll call somebody that's on for you.
Alright, baby.
Come on.
Girl, Oh, me just passed down the auntie house and see big for sale sign. I wish I plan for do. Oh, me never hear anything.
I'm here to the house.
You a sell auntie house. You have that the privilege there. A matter of fact, where you gonna live when you sell it?
Me I go live with her key.
Big moves like that you make. So what auntie say about that?
Me I call her and tell her right now.
Me a stay for that they call there.
Hello? Hello?
Hello. Hey, what's up? What's going on?
Hi, Mommy. How are you?
Hello?
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Taking it easy, taking it easy. What's going on with you? Anything new?
Yeah, so, I met a guy the other day, and, well, a few months.
The other day.
A few months now we've been dating. And I'm thinking I'm gonna move in with him and sell the house. I'm gonna sell the house so we can start a business together.
You want to sell my house?
Yes.
Why you want to sell my house?
I want to start a business, and I figured,
Why you want to sell my house?
it's a big house, and I don't think you have any plans on coming back. So I can use the money to start a business, start something real for myself here.
Well, you do got a point. It's not like I'm coming back anytime soon.
Yeah.
Okay, well, yeah, okay. So this business, it's going to work?
Yes, I am 90% sure. I'll send you the plans that I have, so you know that I'm serious.
Yeah, just send me the plans. But all right, it sounds good so far.
Okay, all right. I miss you.
I miss you too.
All right, and I'm gonna call you later. All right.
You gonna call me later? Mm-hmm.
I love you, Mommy. Bye.
I love you too. Bye.
You's a lucky.
So things now. Oh yeah, man.
Girl, I'm sure I'm going on my lie. But honestly, things rough right now, things slow. The money not coming in. So Brownie, you enough with me, walk on in your life.
Hey. Girl, me want chop money me I need so many years them. I'm here.
Come true, friend.
Yeah. But me not settle down right now. And one man me have. Dep on the hustling thing, me a chop through. Me not settle down like you. You alright? You know, see your life now.
See all of that girl life out there for live, and that's why I tell her someone want to leave the boy.
No, girl. Oh, it's not for everybody, girl. Stay away there. You see, I'm good man. You play room, girl. You know, shot and nothing on tall. What for me, Stay with the good man. See, I'm a friend Marietta, you know. They will kill you out there. But they're not good at all. I get to look at money. Them money are nice, none tall. So, I tell my friend, I want the best for you. So, stay here so with him, man, until better come for him, girl. No get up and run with him. Oh, they're nice. But me, I got you right now.
Alright, girl, I'm gonna listen to you.
Watch out, girl. I chop a man this and just send me one text.
Yeah, girl.
I'm money this, you know?
Go on, yeah,
Money
girl.
this, yeah, I'm a friend,
Right.
I'm listening right now.
Yes, go on. Right, see you. So. Yeah, I mean,
on top. What we start this now?
Just a protection, babes.
Protect from what?
Babes.
Anybody want to breathe?
Relax yourself, babes.
Oh, anyway, different from that though, you know, say, we get through. Yeah man, 2 weeks time, they say, yeah, go ahead.
And then a good babes.
We'll celebrate.
That's really nice. I'm happy for you.
All night, girl. All night. All night, girl. All the while, girl. You keep on running on my mind, girl.
Babes, you know, say me I go, right?
Yeah, babes, remember.
And I'm going to miss you, you know. But I know, if I go over there, the work I'm going to put in to make your life better for you. So, time where I spend on the beach and all them things there, I so want to have a private place and want to house on the inside. And, you know what I mean?
Yeah, man.
So, when I send money come, you do the right thing, you know what I mean? Take care of yourself. So when I'm there, I make sure you eat good food and you're fat up and something. You see him to send money, make sure you're nice and something. But, no man, to the garden, you hear me?
You alone, babes.
So, you keep the garden. Just throw something through water it. But, no man cheat.
Yeah, me up. Look at that.
Play a double blank.
Yeah, back of them now in your hand, man. Oi, where are they, sir?
You know, sir, you tell me I'm spend some my money that can take over time. Calm yourself, look at, calm yourself. The man sell a house and I him here with all of them money. Look at.
What kind of house you talk about?
Listen, man, this is a PO, man. Just relax, man.
What for me? How much money that?
I don't want to be looking at man. You think I lose me, I lose. What's this, sir? You must think I play me, I play.
How much money I make down there? So you can never tell me.
You never know. You want me to go back down there?
No. No go back down there. No go back down there. Give me my carry go bank. No, you don't know the money I want. You're mad.
I say when the woman love money is a different thing. You come.
Long time.
I want to
I know nothing. No.
Yo, yeah, what? I don't move. My money there. I go for some money around. So, I don't go.
I'm there away.
Yeah, man.
Whole heap of money we not find, you know.
I mean, man.
Want him come back, man.
Right now, I'm looking for my command.
No man, go and gamble for this.
No, man, me not gamble no more game, no. Nah, go so. Not the next one.
Wait till him come back, though.
Cousin-in-law, come over here for a second. Come a little closer, man. I guess I admire myself in the mirror here, so I wonder. What you think?
Boy, what I think, first of all, I lose from night, but I feel like I win. I not even score.
I feel myself in the night, and I feel myself, you know, so you like what you say?
More than I like what I say. I think I want what I say.
When you did meet my cousin, I need to want running them time there. But I know that she don't know how to please a man. So I did look for her from them time there, and trust me, I know how to do the things then.
I say no for the things then? Which things then?
I thought the freaky stuff them will make you climb wall and make you feel like you're on cloud 9. But you have to take care of me to get them things there.
Yes, sir. Things that make me climb wall. See one wall line, I would like to climb wall right now.
So we see you next time.
Come on, come here. Alright. Here is the piece of land. It is a very nice piece of land. And from here, it starts from here, look. From here, All the way up there, go
Yeah.
back to all the way over there.
Good space.
You understand? Very
yeah.
nice land. You can build a nice house on it.
It's a good space.
Yes.
So what go for the house right there, so?
No man, listen to me now, baby love. You see that house over there?
Yeah.
Don't worry about it. We are going to get rid of it very soon.
Alright then.
Yes. So, we are selling this piece of land for 3 million.
3 mil.
Oh, sorry, 3.5. I mistaken.
You must can do better than that, man.
Don't worry yourself, man. We can work with the 3 and take off the 5. So it's 3 million, okay? So all you have to do, just leave your number, give me, and I can give you my number. So just get in touch with me as soon as you're ready for it.
Alright.
So may I look straightforward for you, you know?
Of course, it's
Alright,
sure
because
thing.
right now a lot of people looking for land and you know, say the first man come and him a get it.
True,
So
true.
from your money up, you know how you get it.
A
See?
sure thing, man.
Alright, don't worry yourself. We'll get rid of them thing there. And if you want them black, if you buy me, can sell them back on it, you know. Or if you don't interested if you get them black there, we can get rid of it. And you buy your own thing. You understand?
As long as me can get everything for a good price, man, then everything alright, so.
Okay, no problem.
The thanks again here, we'll call you.
Make sure you call me.
Sure thing, man.
Alright, cool.
Babes, like a man say, I send the money for buy land, you know. Tell the man say you have $6 million field land. I make you use 3 and buy one box it and go on normal.
That's enough money
Watch
still.
you know. We can put it on the, can put the box it on the road and run taxi. Or sometimes we can drive here and go somewhere too. I say that's the thing now. You know tired for work?
I true, you know. I true.
Right now I'm a main man, but it come like a me I got be because me I got drive up and down in it, you know.
Yeah.
That's right.
Hi, babe.
What's up?
I'm here. So what do you think about the land?
Yeah, I see the picture and I like it still enough. I have a look at the side. Settings here. So how much said my ask it now though?
She say 6 feet, you know. She first she say 7, but me tell her say she can do better than that, and she say 6 feet.
Alright, but me I call you. Why you text me on the phone though? I was calling you earlier.
Babe, sorry, I probably did do something and me never hear the phone ring.
Oh, you sweat so?
What you mean, babes?
Why did that?
Babe, nobody that day here with me, babes.
What is funny bed?
Look, babes, nobody that day here with me. Nobody that day here with me. I don't know why you do this. Look, babes, nobody not in there. Nobody not in there. Nobody not in there, babes. Why you babes so with me?
I'm saying you're from.
Babes, don't do that.
But anyway, I'm back to the land. Sometimes I'm not thinking, but it's just speak overall, you know what I mean?
Babes, I know me did it for your solid already.
Alright, so differently though. Alright, so we're going to do still. I'm going to send you half of the money because you know Jamaica still, they don't want to take so much money in that country, right?
Yes.
So I'm going to send you half of the money and then a few weeks later I'm send the next half.
Alright, that not sound bad.
Yeah man, so you're just going to down the bank for clearing. So you will come like in a one click on the express so you can get it by next week. You know what I mean?
Alright, babes.
I see you good though.
Yeah, I'm alright. I'm just there. I go and chill. I miss you and all of them something there. You need to hurry up and come back home. You know, I miss you.
Work because the money is needed, so I have to do the work. You know what I mean?
Alright, baby.
So we have to do my part, you give the screamer part, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Me I go and clean up the place, so. Yeah, me eat and them so. Yes. Me I go and clean up the place, so me I go call you back later, here.
What you mean I say no?
Alright, babes, alright. My phone battery is dead, so later. Love you too, bye. Bye. Bye, babe, bye. Whoa, yeah, babes, yeah. Ooh, so I'm gonna drive on that wood. See?
So, yeah, wonderful. See?
So, yeah, I want some money. You can't call that money.
I would just tell the whole she don't want to know why me call her for money now.
She'll give you the money anyway. Just make up something, tell her. You know, you don't love me.
Alright.
Nah, that's a good girl. Ask enough money.
Hello?
Hello.
Hi, Mommy.
How are you? Hey.
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. Long time no see, no talk, no nothing. How's everything?
Everything is good. Well, not 100% good. I was wondering if you could send me some money.
Money? What you need money for?
Just to handle some immediate business, like buy some groceries and such.
So what about the house?
I did sell the house. I put the money in a fixed deposit because, you know, I'm watching the markets and I'm not ready to start the business as yet. But I don't want to, you know, use that money. I want to use that money for the business. So
wait, what about the business though?
I'm watching the markets. I don't believe it's time to start as yet. I'm looking more at the end of the year.
Okay. Alright. Well, I'll send the money home.
Alright, so you can send
When do you need it by?
you can send me like $500. Tomorrow the latest. You can send 12.
Oh, 12. I have to see. I'll let you know though. I'll let you know. But yeah. I got you. I should have some fun.
Alright, thank you, Mommy. I love you.
You're welcome. I love you. You too, baby.
I tell her if I tell her say it's important. But why not like listen to me?
She go send it. I know she go send it. She always send it. Alright.
Alright. If you say so.
Where you go? Alrighty.
All night, girl. All night, girl. All the while, girl, you keep on running on my mind, girl. Would I walk a mile, girl, just to see you smile, girl? All night, girl. Really hope you are the right girl. Put me in your life, girl. You need a study body, it's an all-nighter. Get the number, start to text. Build my lyrics like an architect. Miss love, no one no argument. Cause if you fight my love, me have a heart attack. Me know so you wouldn't want that. So me I beg you listen small acts. Baby girl, you know you're all that. So me I beg you, could you fall back? Oh. All the while, girl, you keep on running on my mind, girl. Would I walk a mile, girl, just to see you smile, girl? All night, girl. Really hope you are the right girl. Put me in your life, girl. You need a study body, it's an all-nighter. Now every girl I get hyper, vex with me and won't fight her. Girl I walk like hiker, and I complain, I say why sir. I try to decipher why me entice her. Quick like a viper, cop the spider, trips to the Niger. Excel advisor, get wiser, know the Budweiser. All the while, girl, you keep on running on my mind, girl. Would I walk a mile, girl, just to see you smile, girl? All night, girl, really hope you are the right girl. Put me in your life, girl. You need a study body, it's an all-nighter. Man a striker, no woods for the tiger. As a baby man, couldn't change my diaper. Never swipe, so me couldn't be no swiper. If you hear me on a song, I'm the writer. Where them want, young puppy or the sniper? Right now, me hotter than your lighter.
Good evening.
Right now, I'm leaving in a good mood, you know.
Come to you.
It's alright. No.
Alright, maybe this will make you feel better. See, I bought your shirt. You like it?
How much you pay for this shirt? How much you pay for this shirt?
It don't matter how much I pay for it.
What size? How much is?
You don't like it?
You could have get it. Yeah, I like it. Give me. Thanks.
So I assume so if I did one car, I buy gear, so you would have gone about it.
This one a car, a shot, and I need even my size. I'm not short, it wouldn't be not short to close, and I need one shirt. Can I give me someone who go back down on the road for a game? Win some more money on car. Yeah, man, give me
You know,
money.
say, when I reach down JPS, no money in the bag. Look like I lost the money. Look like you drop out in a car or probably when I walk on the road or sitting.
Which bag the... Which bag is that?
That's the same bag there. The same black bag.
So in a day time you lose money? Give me money where you have there where you go get on the road so I have to go gamble to win it back now.
Here, I pay bill them, I pay light bill, I pay water bill, I pay rent, I buy things put in my house.
And you lost the money? How many need to go win it back? Give me money where you get when I go on the road, the rest of the money where you get. Because I'm going to gamble if you go win back the
I
money
only
now.
have $1,000.
See, you go buy a shirt, you're not even the right size, you don't like this shirt, and you lost the money. The bag where you have how long I must say hold in it, I don't know. Give me $1,000 whatever money you have, because I have to go win back the money. Because see, you waste money buy a shirt and you lost the money.
But you're not even win no money.
Tap in the house. Go on.
That's why they talk about gambling, and you're not, me not see you carry nothing come in the house. But gambling, and I can't see I win no money.
Money, man. Sure.
See, this is taking money and gone, so. Boy.
So, where say you're doing idea?
So, you know, I go down the road and win some money. And, you know, yeah, my
You have to win up a big box for me and you.
Yeah, my lucky charm, you know. So, I think you can grab one quick piece around there.
I'm not here, babe, so yeah, talk slow.
Can I get one quick piece around there, so babe?
So babes, you say you have something for me?
Oh.
Yeah, come I could go get a box food, you know, I feel a little hungry after that. All of that are mine?
No, man, that's it.
The $50 them?
You'll get some more money later.
Yeah. Well, I always get it still.
Yeah, man, I'll get it.
So later on then. Later. Make sure you win enough later, you know.
Don't worry yourself.
Alright. Ricky! Come back. Baby, look what happened in that bush a while ago. You lost my neighboring. I'll pop off my fingernail too.
Okay, babes. Come on.
Alright, yeah, you sure?
Come on, I mean.
Alright, baby, that's it. Time for love, you know. Later?
Yeah?
Alright.
Rina.
Good night.
Night.
How's work?
I don't know, I'm tired now, sir.
So I have liquor. You can take a drink if you like.
No, what is it?
It's alcohol. I have wine. You can.
Yeah, you know them pretty boy. Like, I'm poor, so I'm taste it. I'm taste it. You know, that's what I'm talking about. I'm tired. I'm go sleep. No bother with it. Go sleep.
Alright. That's okay then. But before I go to bed, maybe like we could do something before I go to sleep.
Something? You mean like the boring stuff we usually do?
No, we can do other things. We can do like things we've been talking about.
It's not. I mean, like you learn how to do the things, you know.
If you're not there, home if you practice.
You don't need me here. See the Heineken bottle. We have man, expensive syrup bottle over there, kids. You don't need me here. As a matter of fact, I think I go back on the road.
Oh wait. I wanna practice now. I wanna practice on the real thing.
This I go use. The last time, you know. The last time I could try. I could have I look on that picture of me, remind me. The last time I could have feel the teeth them. No, you no make them no mistake there with me. Just lips and tongue. Need to practice with this. So when I come back, you can get it perfect. Come on, son.
I wanna practice now. I wanna practice on the real things.
Last time I could practice, Rena. I teeth me I feel. Me I tell her say I'm good tongue and lips. And if you love me, we practice. I practice with the bottle, so when it's my time, it's perfect. I practice and make mistakes. That's all we do. They practice and I get it right with me.
So how am I know if me do it right if me practice on a bottle?
What you say? Him forward now? So him have money? Alright. Alright, tell you what. You will get time for practice.
Where you
I go back out the road. Yes. So you have ample time. No teeth when I come back, yeah? No teeth. Alright? You know respond to me upset?
Yeah. Wait.
Persistent doing it, you know.
I've been practicing. I have
For the last time. For the
I
last.
want practice for the real thing.
Nope. Last time when you bite me. I don't want to feel no teeth.
I'm not gonna bite it again.
Look here. No, look. Hold on, man. There. Look at you. If you are sexy for me, I can't look like this.
This not sexy.
No, this not sexy. Look, Rena.
This not.
I forgot her.
Wait. Just like we can't work it out. Can't wait.
Someone is still asleep. Rena, wake up.
Where you come from?
Where I come from? I'm supposed to wake up, fix me some breakfast. I'm up on the wall, I pay them in the whole night. Fix me some breakfast. I'm tired and hungry.
And what upon your face?
That means so what up on my face?
Come here.
Come here.
A lipstick upon you?
Rena, let me go. Go and go fix it, bro.
What do you mean when we go and fix it? You have lipstick all over your face.
One of my friend them that. I'm not even want to talk about that. Just go and go fix the breakfast and chop. I'm tired. When you finish, just
So when
let
money
me.
to buy breakfast?
Use your money. I'm always a send money. Use your money. And when you finish, just wait me.
So you're out of work whole night, and you come in with lipstick on your face, and then I go tell me say you don't have no money.
Rina, you see the same thing last night? You see the same thing of them something that cause problem. You know, listen, just do what I tell you for enough. I'm tired, me out, me have do what me just go sort out the breakfast and wait. I'm tired, I can't bother. Don't stress me.
Baby.
Finally. Like it'll take 1 year for fry one little egg.
Come out of bed. Come. Come eat over here, sir.
You're lucky now I can order me out of bed. Sure. I eat this?
Yeah.
Alright, give me. Rina, how should I get some
Enjoy the
bread?
breakfast, man.
It dry. The bread dry. Me just enjoy the egg.
Me go out on the road today. Me go out tonight town and get some stuff for your house. You want anything?
What house want, Rina? Where I go buy for your house?
Some food stuff.
Oh. Don't buy what the brother do, but the brother dry.
Alright.
Can I get some sugar too?
Hello? Yes, auntie, me alright. Okay. Alright. Yes, he's alright too, you know. We're just here having some breakfast. Yes. Alright, auntie. Alright, thank you. Yeah, man.
I don't know, where this fly I could get out there when it's a dry.
Auntie said she go send me $500 today, so I go collect it.
Send half it now, man. Wash out this up.
What you gonna do with half it? What about the house? We need food. We need to eat.
Yeah, so you figure out that part there. I need money. You get too much talking, man. I'm gonna deal with this one. Oh, hold on. Yeah, deal with it.
So, you couldn't tell me say not come home last night.
No, wash.
Me have prepare nice dinner for you and everything.
Alright, go ahead.
And me all did a practice. Me did a practice on the buckle. The buckle almost broke and cut me.
Alright, don't wash. Wash where you wash when you tell me about that. Yeah. Alright.
on, girl.
One.
I just bored around my yard, so I say, I come get a link.
Yeah, me there wash all your dirty clothes. You can help me.
And this is the fun in the early morning, real wife things. No, sir, no, me there, that's for me. So, that the one that they are in there?
In there sleep. I feel bleach, my man. I'm tired.
Alright. Surprise!
Outside.
Yes. She just send me for a bleach, but we don't have much time. Me just come to tell her say I'm ready for that piece of money there so I can do my nails them and so I can get my lashes.
It takes so long to find a buckle.
After no bleach buckle not in there, girl.
The bleach buckle in here, man, it does not look good.
Me
You
look,
sure say not in here or the other things.
me look everywhere.
See buckle here. I know bleach not even in there. So what you gonna do? What you gonna do for the evening?
Later on, I go down to night town. I go do my nails and my lashes. Girl, you know what come? Like, you don't have money, you can come treat yourself too.
Boy, I can't come. I forgot make sure say I cook my husband dinner.
So, you again with the wifey life. I'll be enjoying my life while I can.
I wish I could have lived like you. That's how you go.
And you could, if only you knew. Later.
Rena,
Yeah?
come here.
May I come? May I have to go
Me
there?
call you.
May I come?
Stephanie, come here. You know what? Just
What?
come. Just come. Just come.
What?
Watch yourself, you know. But anyways, no time for that. If it's some money where you say that I'll get, I want to deal with it. I'm gonna need it.
I don't have no money. The money I have to pay rent.
No, man, I can't get people. You have people that can call for send the money. Bring me a deal. So,
The rent due
Me-
tomorrow.
how much are we gonna talk one time? Let me get the money. I have something for the
You
deal.
can't get one piece of money. We're supposed to be for your rent and you're not carrying no money. Come give me if you help me pay rent.
I'm not argue with you, you know. I look like I ask that question. I need the money, I gotta deal with something important. Just get here and bring it come. You can't call the people and forget that the money. Just deal with it.
Alright.
Did you get the money?
Here what? I last piece of money we have. We don't have nothing at all to eat later.
Give me money.
So you have to carry back something for we eat. You have to buy something. No matter what you do with the money, you just have to buy something for we eat later on. Because there's nothing in the house.
And this one, I just show, me go play some domino and win back the whole of this money. I don't know, this too short right now. You don't worry yourself, man. Sure. You can't stay out here too long, you know.
Alright. You say bring you something for me?
Come on, son.
Okay, so all right for me?
I'm on $1,000 if I go play some game, you know.
Babes, this can hardly buy the nails plus do them on.
Sorry, me make it up here next time.
You have to do better next time.
Definitely.
Can't drop from $50,000 to $5,000.
Babes, you know me always sort out. And that's I'm just this one time. Can't stay out there too long.
Alright, you always sort me out. Alright, come. May I see you later?
Yeah man, sure. Just call me.
Alright, later.
wait until me finish that stink, man.
You say you love me, this is how love is. If you love me, I can't smell anything. So.
Wait, what just happened a while ago? What just happened? Ricky!
Bullshit.
What just happened?
Oh, God.
Ricky! Oh, shit, boy.
So, go on, my friend.
Me there, you know. I want to go on in the street.
Boy, bag of things are going on the streets, you know, my friend. Bag of things are going on the streets. You know, some of them on the money move see me right now. Boy, I'm going to tear off an idea.
Easy, you know, stop their badness.
So, you know what I say, I miss Ricky, girl. Bag of things are going on with him too. I know I can still there, so.
What do you mean?
They're on the hands. But I'm my friend. If I gambling there, I gambling, you know. Winnings today. But when they, I don't know gambling that.
I don't like when you not tell me what go on still in me, your friend. Give me next foot.
Winnings are the day.
I don't like when you not tell me what go on me, your friend still in
My friend.
If you know something more than what if you tell me, you know. I see him say if you know something about you, me I tell you.
See you hear me say what?
Tell me. No one know.
Somebody just tell us I'm seeing on the ends.
So it sounds like you know something and no one tell me. I'm your friend. If I did me would I tell you, you know. If me did know something about you, me would I tell you, you know. Or about your man.
Me remember when me tell my friend something, you know, she go back to tell her man, you know. Me tell her, because she's my best friend, see her man give her bun, and the girl still go back and call me name. You want more than that?
What man do that to you?
Me not deal again. Girl, I'll make him and I'll run me down with gun you with me. I run through gully and nearly pop my foot. Right now, I don't even know if you show you all the little mark on the dip on my foot. But me, nah, be the one to chat this time. Nah, be the one to chat this time, my friend. Me experience too much in our life.
See you sing with what woman?
After your man lay down on pillar, I start make love after. And I start talk about everything. Me go tell you and you go call back my name. No, so me not tell you nothing. You not go back call my name.
I can find out what go on, man. Because you know so what day I seen come in with some lipstick on him.
You not say nothing to him?
I said something, yes. You don't have to tell me. I figure it out, man.
Alright, my friend.
I figure it out.
Just know some love him, you know why? Is it me? I want nothing there, you understand?
I figure it out, man. You don't have to tell me. You don't have to say the next word.
Oh, go.
Baby.
Rina. Rina. Oh, sleep.
Ricky, wait, look at me.
Oh, this one. I got someone?
What do you mean if me got someone?
Oh.
You don't know what tonight is?
I'm tired. Friday night.
Ricky, it's our anniversary.
Oh, I don't really do them. I don't really celebrate them things. I go sleep right now. Go on, go sleep.
Yeah, go on normal your foot on dashboard there, baby.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, go on normal with yourself. Skin out your foot.
Yeah, you're too rude, you know.
Nah, man.
So, you like it here?
Yeah, I like you a long time.
I'm trying to get another woman in there, that may I tell you.
Babes, I'm foolish. You should let that woman go driving at this. I'm here alone at driving at this. Come on, tell you.
Better.
I'm alone at driving at this. I'm going now. Stress out yourself.
So, babes, I'm not too why you park the car in the lane, you know. You have to park it and then you walk around because them people that talk too much in the lane.
Alright. No, I think, man. Can't too load up a thing because I want the boy send one next money if you buy one next car and time you go back over if you come back, you know.
Just keep it on a low, is it?
Yeah, man, I know I think, man. Alright. See if I can sweet him up. I make him send a piece of money. Because remember, with the insurance, we pay for the license already and everything. But the insurance, we pay for 1 month, so you want a couple more. So make him send a piece of money come, man.
I'm going to reach him and go link him.
You want to sweet him up, man. Just tell him some nice things. Probably send him a little picture too, but not send him one where you send me. So we want them different.
Alright, babes.
Make him go on normal over it.
Just let me out here something walk go down. Alright, babe. Alright, babe.
Sexy door.
Watch what me I got the girl. Me no ramp, you know. Fire. How's the cold over there? Well, me sure your girl down here do much better than you because me sure me see one man a come out of your place. Yeah, and me know who the man to. Me sure me and you are friends, so me nah lie you fire. Me see that with my own 2 eye them. Believe me. So you can do what you want to do, you know. But yeah, me sure so me see that. So you must know what you do then. Alright.
If it's stop it, you know. You have to do it.
You couldn't wait till me hang up the phone before you say that.
You have to do it, man.
I saw it got my style that you don't know. Drama. I live for the drama.
Anyways, me go over go cook my man dinner. So, let me wait see you.
I'm ready? Where you do? Where you go already?
Me got me hard, me cook the husband dinner.
Which husband dinner so early? At 3 o'clock, you know, my girl.
No.
Alright.
Awesome.
No, babes, me eat already. That's all nice sausage. This some of me say, babes. This one.
Boy, I got a find soon. I'm more time to come and long more things work.
Babes, I don't feel like the place hot. We can drive out the river or something.
The first installment on paper on the bus up, and we can't go nowhere. But when the man called them, say, want some money, I can send some money.
I'm not too one pressure him, no babes.
The man have money, man, I can send him money.
Alright. Me link him about it.
But we can risk it still if no police come, we can get him a $5 grand idea.
Someone really love me, you know.
I mean,
Yeah. And I don't know him I send money already, so anything I
make one baby for me by an idea, so.
No, you have to, babes, you have to take it slow, you know. Remember, so we have to ensure that everything is set before whatever.
I know I mash up the money with him still.
So, gratitude, see me, I'll call you now. Good morning, baby.
Yeah, good morning. You see my face? I'm not happy. Somebody just called me and tell me, say, there's a man on the yard now. When over here, say, work. 3 jobs to take care of you.
What you mean, babes? What you mean? I will call you and tell them something right now. People wicked, you know? People wicked. I know say I carry tell you so. Because the girl that don't like me now and nothing more than she want you. Nothing more than the girl want you.
Don't call her name. Why can't call her name? Nah, man, I know she not call and tell me nothing. She not call me, no she.
You can't tell me say I know she and them people are wicked. People wicked babes. You have to understand. So them want to mash up me and you. People wicked.
You don't need to know who you know.
You need to tell me a who. Because if I know she a who then.
You sound like you're guilty, so.
What you mean by me guilty, babes? So you not trust me? You can put people over me when me I tell you say babes? No, sir, you can't do that.
You're married there, you know, so I have to trust you, you know. I have to call you so I can trust you. Well, we know some people bad man and people fight against, but make sure that game and play with me.
Babes, I know some me not do them something them. Me coulda never. Y'all take care of me. Y'all work and I take care of me. So all my feel style of them way the babes. I know better than that.
But anyway, the land thing good man. Me like when you pay for the first part of the land, we go save some money come. By tomorrow, I'm get a time off to get to send off it. But here, what's not game me and play me now? Come over here at work, a 3 job me at work. Right now, we go catch a Uber, we go come at the train center, take a train, go cross over so we go work. And I call me at work. So my place them outside my work, I have to deliver something. You understand? And I put in the work to make sure we have a better life. So I'm out at work and I call, we've seen a ramping money at Jamaica. You understand? And I spend the money foolish and I have man. You know what I mean?
Babe, I coulda never disrespect you them way. You know I love you. I know say you have love me, but I say them way.
I have plans to, girl, if me make things out of life, so hope say I do the right thing. Yo, it's a bad vibe, we work up in there, but if you say, nothing I go on so, and I lie, she tell, I'm going to stop, lock off some people from my ears then. I'm going to stop listening to her then.
When you go send the other part of the money for the land, the person said them don't want to wait too long, so you have to go start out that soon. I know say, I might tell them I appreciate, but I not appreciate just what the person them say, so you have to go sort it out.
But you know, but it's about the land. Oh yeah man, what me not do you know, we go get some money sent to you in the week, early by Wednesday. I'll send some money come give you.
Alright babes, that not sound too bad. So me will talk to them and make it them know what is what. Yeah, so them know say that the money they are come soon.
Me have to go here now because he feel my boy there. You know what I mean? Love you too. Mwah.
Love you too. Mwah.
Righty.
Yo, I say nothing more than that. They get a bad mind, and I'm gonna done her. I'm gonna cuss her out because I don't know. Yo.
Go you drive out to Waxy.
Yeah, babes, we go cool off. Come then, I want him.
Because you have to,
A long time. Oh, Mama, we don't know where you call up me name for your news reporter.
I wish you talk to now, dear.
I want you want the man for yourself. I want the man so make you call up my name.
Listen to me, girl. Don't bother come mix my name right now. I'm bright, you're bright.
You must be front keeper because I don't know where I watch my front supper, girl.
Listen to me, little dirty girl. Just when you see me, avoid me. Don't ever step to me like this again in the streets, here. Or else we come up missing.
Who you call dirty girl? What you can't buy soap? Remember say my man said money can't give me for buy soap, you know? So I don't know who you call dirty girl. He's a little informer.
You think that you alone have man? You know see how me look nice. My girl know what you do here.
Stop calling me name with your dirty mouth.
My mouth dirty. My mouth cleaner than your girl.
Mama, you can't even buy lotion for if it lotion you look a dry foot them. Look color them white. I bleach.
You talk about my dry foot them. Look at your dry head. How you do with the man money when he send it to you? How you do with it? Cause me not see it.
It look like me have to go give you something to take off a little plastic wig.
Well, me
right now, if you go so strike with the lighter, you see it light.
Me take it, me no business. All I need to know is don't step to me in the streets like this again. Yeah.
Or else what, Mama?
Yeah, we see.
Stop calling my name.
Yeah, we see.
Stop calling my name, girl.
It's like you want to give me something to talk about. And that you want to do? You want me to string up a whole of your business for life all around here?
You don't talk about me and me at the hot topic.
Yeah, we see. Yeah, we get something to talk about. Here, know that.
I check me, girl.
If me did want Anthony, me get him a long time. Me don't know where him go pick up this nasty garbage like are you from.
I mean, I call garbage girl when Anthony see her and go so, when him see her roadside, well, obviously him take past here and come to me here, so what the garbage?
Stop chat foolishness, my girl, before me bust the wall of your secret them. Me can't tell Anthony anything, about me call up your name. Me not say a thing. Me not tell him about the 100 million man them when me say come through your place, Know that.
Obviously the 100 million man them earthy because none of them now look upon you, my girl.
Watch this little dirty
over
girl
here,
too.
over here so nice.
Watch this little dirty girl.
Call out my name again and you see what me here. I don't talk.
Take time, walk off here. Cause there won't be another time.
You only can't talk because you're informer, girl. Excuse.
If me have a good mind, I'd even live for see tomorrow, yeah?
Alright, as always, thank you guys for watching, and if it's your first time to the channel, remember to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. You have just watched part 1 of this movie, and to see part 2 you have to head over to Richard Brown Films. It is not uploaded as yet, but it soon be uploaded. Maybe 3 days or 4 days time you'll get to watch part 2 over on Richard Brown Films. So thank you very much, you guys, for watching, and big up to everybody that continue to play a part in the growth of the production team. Big up to Antoinette. She is the producer on this movie. So big up yourself, Antoinette. And big up to everybody else that has been weighing in on what we're doing. Continue to show support and stay tuned and keep on watching.
Oh my God, but let me tell you, right? It's this foreign brother with these neon green shoes coming up. I know, right? Who is that?
All night, girl. All night. All night, girl. All the while, girl. You keep on running on my mind, girl. Would I walk a mile, girl? Just to see you smile, girl. All night, girl. Really hope you are the right girl. Put me in your life, girl. You need a study body, it's an all-nighter. Get the number, start to text. Build my lyrics like an architect. Miss love, no one no argument. Cause if you fight my love, me have a heart attack. Me know so you wouldn't want that. So me I beg you listen small ass. Baby girl, you know you're all that. So me I beg you, could you fall back? All the while, girl, you keep on running on my mind, girl. Would I walk a mile, girl, just to see you smile, girl? All night, girl, really hope you are the right girl. Put me in your life, girl. You need a study body, it's an all-nighter. Now every girl I get hyper. Vex with me and won't fight her. Girl, I walk like hiker. And I complain, I say why, sir? I try to decipher why me entice her. Quick like a viper. Cop the spider, trips to the Niger. Excel advisor, get wiser, know the Budweiser. All the while, girl, you keep on running on my mind, girl. Would I walk a mile, girl, just to see you smile, girl? All night, girl, really hope you are the right girl. Put me in your life, girl. You need a study body, it's an all-nighter. Man a striker, no woods for the tiger. As a baby man, couldn't change my diaper. Never swipe, so me couldn't be no swiper. If you hear me on a song, I'm the writer. Where them want, young puppy or the sniper? Right now, me hotter than your lighter. A boy, girl, I say me shoulda invite her. Me just divert. All the while, girl, you keep on running on my mind, girl. Would I walk a mile, girl, just to see you smile, girl? All night, girl, really hope you are the right girl. Put me in your life, girl. You need a study body, it's an all-nighter. Rely on me, just don't die on me. If you cry, wipe those eyes on me. Real to the bone, no one wants to be alone. Girlfriend, you for be the queen to my throne. My heart I go be your home. You for be my own. Me no need some more. All the while, girl, you keep on running on my mind, girl. Would I walk a mile, girl, just to see you smile, girl? All night, girl, really hope you are the right girl. Put me in your life, girl. You need a study body, it's an all-nighter.